Yes. Apply here. Okay. Hello Pajeros. Today I'm here again, Jazar Alva, the maintain workshop. Yeah, why I'm here today, I'm going to replace the polyurethane bush. You can see here for my upper arm and lower arm. So my one is already having issues, so I choose this time to replace polyurethane bush. There is more benefits. I will have it for the on-road and off-road. So let's talk about polyurethane bushes, about what is the durability and what benefits you will get it. Let's go to the workshop and then see how they're gonna replace it. This is my for lower arms the bushes, and this side is for my upper arm bushes and to cut bush. Here is a special synthetic grease we have to apply for these ones. And when we talk about this polythenic poly bushes, the many benefits we will have it, and especially the durability you will get it, and on road and off road, especially in the off road. That's the reason I used to change, and improving the performance, reduce the noise and vibrations, and it's real. You will get good improving the steering wheel response and maintain, especially the free, what I told you, like the durability. Any kind of temperature it will be suitable, especially like UAE. It's a hot weather, during the summertime. I really prefer these ones, even though the normal one is okay, but me, I'm driving in the off-road, so I prefer these ones mostly. Polyurethane bushes are made in a special unique material. It is like flexible like a rubber and durable like a plastic. I can show you in the descriptions what is the real material they was using, but as I know it's a unique material, that's why it's more durable. How is the bush condition, bro?
This condition still okay, brother.
Still okay, right?
Right.
All right. Anyway, we'll change for the poly bush. To take out the lower arm. Yes. Come boy.
Video എടുക്കട്ടെ.
Fully broke, huh?
Fully broke.
See?
മഞ്ഞ ബുഷല്ലേ?
This my left lower arm. Only one side. This is the whole lower arm, upper arm for the both sides. Mainly broken in the lower arms, both side, in left and right hand side. As I show you earlier, one is this, another one is this. Johnny came to fix my polybush for the lab. Let's see Johnny work. Let's go, Johnny. Removing the lower arm bush, what I had the old one. Yes, apply here. Okay. And over there also.
No soft. Hard.
Yeah, but it's working well.
Dobro değil mi? এদিকে ইনসে থাকলো
That's how you have to apply the special silicone gel over there. A little bit side over here.
এখন মারিলে ভালো তুমি
Zaten ki zaten ये पोलैंड इंसाता बहुत चिंता कर
जैसे देखिए बस
Yes.
रखन
Guys, that's how it works. Perfect. Can you see? It's nice, huh?
Yes.
Good job. Now he's gonna do it in the lower arm one, the big bush. Let's see how he's pressed. Okay. Both start to use the cut bush.
या
Before you're replacing, I think we have to cut the bush from here because it's come with the seal. Otherwise, we cannot replace. See how we replace? Cut bush replacement done. The poly bush. You can see we applying the special synthetic gel over here, not the grease, so easy to get smooth to go inside the poly bush. We have to apply for lower and upper arm both sides.
ഭയങ്കര
ദാവക്കത്ത് കുറച്ച് ഇട്ടിട്ട് വേണം
We're gonna fix the lower arm now. See how it's smooth.
ഒരു കാര്യം 19 എടുത്തോളൂ 19 കണ്ടെടുത്തു
Going smoothly. How was it smooth? It's okay, huh? Boy's done a good job. The work is done from the left side. You can see all the bushes. Pitch well satisfied.
അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ലീഡറാ
After getting fixed, we go for the trial. We have to do the balancing, right? The alignment, right?
Yes.
Because we remove the lower arm and upper arm, then we fix it again after the bushes. So definitely we have to do the alignments. Yeah, after test drive, we are back here. Everything is perfect, but we have to do the alignment. Thank you, Jasar, Alwada, doing a good job.